Buying your first industrial laser, it's a huge investment. So let's get it right. Ever felt like you're trying to read hieroglyphics when you look at a spec sheet? You're not alone. So what's this number? Well, it's not a price tag. It's actually something much worse. That's the total loss from just one bad purchase. One. From damaged parts to project delays. Okay, so how do you avoid that disaster? We're going to break it down right now. First up, pulsed lasers. Think shockwave, not heat. Perfect for those delicate jobs. Then you've got continuous wave, or CW. This one brings the heat for the tough stuff. So here's the trade-off laid bare. You're really choosing between precision and raw power. And here is the golden rule. If you can't afford any damage, you need pulsed. Period. We have a simple, field-tested method to make this choice super easy for you. It's just 3 steps. Define, apply, and verify. No guesswork, no costly mistakes. And this just drives the point home. It really all comes down to what you're cleaning. So stop asking about just power. Ask for the energy density on your specific parts. Because getting this right is all about one thing, your ROI. Let's see it in action. This company bought both types of lasers. Why? So they could say yes to every job. And their return on investment? Just over a year. That's the power of the right tools. And look at this. The savings are huge when you finally ditch manual cleaning for a laser. But the tech is only half the story. You also got to find the right partner. If a supplier says any of these things to you, run. These are major red flags. What you really want to see are these green flags. This is what a true partner looks like. So you have to ask yourself, am I talking to an expert or just a reseller? Talk to a real factory expert. Get a quote that's tailored exactly for your business.